yeah, so I feel like just staying focused on what I'm doing, just keep doing what I'm doing, keep doing connecting, keep improving my skills, like and slow down because I've noticed a couple of my calls have been like more like 6 minutes, 7 minutes lately, and I'm listening to them back and I'm hearing myself like motor through in some areas. So I know that it's like I need to slow down again.
Yeah, yeah, good awareness. When we slow down, they slow down, and if you give them like a
Hmm.
little space, they will open up and elaborate more. They'll fill in the space, right? So it'll serve you on multiple fronts. So good awareness there. What are you thinking today?
Today I'm thinking like I'll do 250 and six because
Jeez, good luck. Good luck with 250.
dialer's drying up. So
I know.
as long as the dialer like maintains, I do believe I can get to 250 dials today. But if it doesn't, I think I will have a struggle.
I mean, do it. Obviously, do it as much as you can, right? But
I don't.
it's been going already on the no lands. We're kind of hit that already this morning. So
So I'll see if I can get to 250. But
Okay,
look, I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm just saying
yeah,
be wary of setting that goal for today.
yeah.
so you let's set something that you feel like 100% you can do. Can you do 175, 100%? You think?
Absolutely, no worries.
All right, let's do that and push, stretch for what you can. All right, Adam, how do you rap yesterday?
Yesterday was 188 and 5.
Let's go, Adam. Super consistent. What's the secret?
Honestly, I'd like to say that's just the same thing as yesterday. Was having a lot of luck with follow-ups, people just getting back, or even just like, hey, call me back at this time. I set that time to call them, get on the phone. It actually worked out. So that stuff is working, and I still want to work on slowing down, going deeper, taking that extra second, asking why, right? Just like stretching the vision, stretching the pain, stretching the timelines, not stretching timelines, honing in on timelines.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, cool. What do you think today?
uh, 175 and 4. We'll shoot for 5.
Let's go. Casey's out today.
Hey, by the way, my name is Chris Sanchez and I build predictable, elite, and fully systemized sales teams. I've helped clients generate over $54 million in revenue and ramped countless sales reps using the approach that I call the sales team operating system. What you just watched was a real sales team OS session that I pulled from a live client. If you want to see exactly how I run, manage, and scale elite 8-figure sales teams, don't click away just yet. In this next video right here, there's another sales team OS breakdown where I go deeper into the building, coaching, managing elite reps. Go ahead and click it and enjoy. Cheers.